power up like a pro. The ultimate Asus laptop charger with swappable connectors and UL safety. Tired of hunting for the right charger every time? Say hello to the Dexpt Asus Laptop Charger, your one-stop powerhouse for Asus Vivobook, Zenbook, Chromebook, and more. With 4 detachable round connectors, it fits multiple models, so you'll never stress over compatibility again. And unlike those sketchy off-brand chargers that fry your battery, this UL-certified beast delivers safe, consistent, and efficient charging. Whether you're working, gaming, or just binge-watching, this charger keeps your laptop juiced up and ready to roll. Not all chargers are created equal. This UL Safety certified power adapter is built to meet the highest US safety and quality standards, putting cheap knockoffs to shame. Featuring short-circuit protection, a retractable plug, and an LED charging indicator, this charger protects your laptop from power surges and overheating, keeping your battery healthy for the long haul. Why risk your expensive laptop on a low-quality charger when you can power up with Dexpt, the safest bet in the game? Ever had a charger yank your laptop off the table because the cable was too short? Not with this one. With a generous 7.5 feet power cord, you get flexibility and freedom, whether you're working from bed, the couch, or your desk. Plus, with 4 different size detachable connectors, this charger works seamlessly with all 65-watt, 45-watt, and 33-watt Asus laptops. No more guessing which charger fits, this one's got you covered. Save time, save stress, and charge smarter. Sick of chargers that fray, break, or stop working after a few months? The Dexpt charger is engineered for longevity, built with high-quality materials that can handle daily wear and tear. The sturdy powerline connectivity, reinforced cable, and secure plug ensure you won't be replacing it anytime soon. Invest once and power up for years. It's an affordable, high-quality upgrade that gives you premium performance without the premium price tag. Let's be real, you need a charger that just works. The Dexpt Asus Laptop Charger isn't just affordable, it's a tech-tested, industry-approved powerhouse that guarantees seamless, safe, and efficient charging. With a 30-day no-questions-asked replacement and a 2-year warranty, you're backed by unbeatable after-sales support. Why gamble with cheap alternatives when you can get the best at an incredible value? Click Add to Cart now and upgrade your charging game today.